inspection of this large building includes the use of 6 very large interdependent boilers. They're interdependent because each boiler is going to operate and cycle together. We have a leader boiler. We have a member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boilers. And what they do is they're going to cycle each other, so not one of them is overrunning or overexerting itself and then wearing out faster. These are replacement boilers. Originally, this building had large steam boilers, and it's been retrofitted to these. These are by Lochinvar. They're actually a glorified, ginormous water heater, and they're all computer operated, and they all have digital readouts. As far as a commercial property inspector goes, this is something you could bring a specialty consultant with and have them assist you in the inspection of these. Or if you feel comfortable, these are just a large water heater. And so it's identifying those parts. I can push the control, see that the outlet water temperature is 163. I can see that the system temperature is 178. I can see what the inlet water temperature is before it's preheated. I can get all of that information, including models and serial numbers, but there's nothing else for me to take apart. There's no covers to remove. But one thing we do have to identify, if you think about it, being a glorified ginormous water heater, is the temperature, pressure, relief valve. So let's go identify that and locate that on the back of member number 5. So on the back of this unit, member number 5, it has all the rest of the things I need to finish my inspection. Again, I'm going to take photo documentation of all the sides of each of the 6 units. Remember, leader, and then 1 through 5. I've also got a model and serial number plate, which I can get here, and that information. But then here's my temperature, pressure, relief valve, and its corresponding extension pipe. Now, you're thinking, that is an enormous temperature, pressure, relief valve. But remember, it's a warm water boiler. As a warm water boiler, it shouldn't have too large a valve. This is only a 50 PSI valve. It's not running the hot water or potable water going through the faucets. It's running the water being created by this boiler. So I'm going to verify that I do have a 50 or less PSI temperature pressure relief valve. So your scope could be whatever your client's looking for. Could be a specialty consultant, or could be your full inspection of each one of these 6 boilers. But nonetheless, follow the CompSop. It'll give you all the guidance you need to be able to perform the inspection. I don't see any moisture. Do you? Stay safe.